Mr. Cameron. Hi, I'm Rob. I work at CFC Markets at the moment, used to be the music industry, and at Ladbrokes Poker. Made about 100 videos for YouTube for different companies, different artists, and in the poker industry. Phenomenal for creating communities and showing the events that we take people to, and also training and how to play poker, but also with a bit of entertainment and a bit of a laugh. And yeah, I've found online videos, especially through YouTube, really work. We put them on our own site as well. But social communities, we do advertising, and PPC work on YouTube, LinkedIn, and well, everywhere else. But the YouTube videos are something that we're going to get around to. We're just about to start on CFC Markets. We've got a channel at the moment, and it's daily analysis. So if you're into spread betting or trading or CFDs, come and learn how to do it on the channel on YouTube, CFC Markets PLC. Peace. We press stop.